Yash, I believe you have the Fogart family with you. Just take it away. Speak to them.
Well, in moments from now, we will be speaking to Vinesh Fogart's mother. In fact, we are in her village in Babli, which is in Haryana. In fact, in Charkha, Dadri. In fact, I have with me proud mother of Vinesh Fogart. माता जी, सबसे पहले आपकी कल बात हुई, आपने इशारा किया था विनेश को जीत के बाद, और कोई बात हुई विनेश से कल?
कुछ नहीं बेटा, बस मुझको बेटा ठीक से बधाई दे दी, मैं ठीक से बेटा, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद भगवान, दे दियो तने 2 बार तेरी गैलरी कसर पूरी हो। ये तो देश ने नहीं दिखे थे भैया, छोरी दबेदार गोल्ड की शिपन भगवान ने भाई कौन रलियो थो, ई भी रलियो थो जो देगो।
तो गोल्ड के लिए आश्वस्त हैं आपकी? पक्का आ रहा है गोल्ड?
पक्का
पक्का। कितने साल की मेहनत और कितने लंबे समय की मेहनत के बाद ये जो पदक मिलने वाला है आज, तो क्या खुशी है? आप सिर्फ घर में नहीं, पूरे गांव में किस तरह का माहौल है?
खुशी से गाँव में राम गुआड़ सबके खुशी से भाई, देश खातर मेडल आम ला रहे अच्छा काम करा वाला कोई सभी आस देखे भाई, अपना देश खातर नाम करने ला रही से। और भाई शुद्धि बेटी से इसी बेटी सबको जमो, मेरी बेटी जमी से तो सबका जमो, ईश्वर से देश जमो, बेटी सबका जमो। इसी
ऐसी बेटी सबको मिले देश में, और ऐसी बेटियां, सब चाहते हैं कि ऐसी बेटियां और पदक लाएं और आगे बढ़े। इसके अलावा अब परिवार में किस तरह का माहौल है, क्योंकि बहुत समय बाद फोगाट परिवार से अब कोई दोबारा मेडल आने वाला है, सिल्वर पक्का है, गोल्ड की भी हम पूरी आशा लगा रहे हैं।
गोल्ड की सवाल
गोल्ड पक्का। अच्छा, और घर में अगर और लोग से भी हम लोगों ने बात करी, और भी परिवार वालों से बात करी, एक चीज जो कि निकल के आई कि जितने भी पूरा पिछले 1-1.5 साल का समय था, काफी मुश्किल था, पूरे प्रोटेस्ट को लेके जो दिल्ली में हुआ सब हुआ, उसके बावजूद भी इतनी अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस, इस पे क्या कहेंगे आप?
ये बेटे ने अपनी कड़ी मेहनत करी है तो फल दे दियो भगवान ने। ये उतार चढ़ाव दुख दर्द तो मानस मामदाय रहे, झेलना चाहिए, उसने झेल लिया था अपना सारा, उसने झेल लिया देश खातर मैंने लिया।
देशवासी बहुत प्यार दे रहे हैं। अगर आप सोशल मीडिया पे भी जाए, अभी हम यहाँ पे रास्ते में आते हुए भी सबसे बात करते हुए आ रहे थे, सब बहुत खुश है। देशवासियों को क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
देशवासी नहीं है भाई, देश की इसी बेटी सबका जमो, देशवासी नहीं है भाई, देश का ऊँचो नाम करे, ही छोटा बर सबका जमो, छोरो हो चाहे छोरी हो बेटा, चाहे पढ़ाई में हो चाहे खिलाड़ी हो, देश खातर बढ़िया नाम करो, वो देश तो दुआ देगो बेटा। आ बढ़िया टब्बर सब देश खातर ले आए।
अच्छा, जब विनेश वापस आएंगी तो क्या तैयारियां रहेंगी उनके लिए?
भगवान से ये खुशी में से और की तैयारी, भगवान खुशी सब ने दो।
Well, Griha, you can see how happy the family is.
Yes.
Because we know the Fogat family has brought laurels to this nation in wrestling. In fact, this very village is also quite famous for Fogat family. And in fact, now Vinesh Fogat also just nearing that very gold, clinching that very gold. Silver is confirmed. History has been scripted, but the family says the gold will be definite for Vinesh Fogat.
Absolutely. No other Indian woman wrestler has reached the pedestal that Vinesh Fogat has managed to reach at the Paris Olympics. On the one hand, we are talking about a lady who is going for gold, the first time an Indian woman wrestler going for gold at the Olympics. And on the other hand, you have Manu Bhaker, who's got 2 bronze medals and opened India's medals tally at the Paris Olympics. She has emerged victorious and she's finally returned to her homeland. And those are the 2 visuals. You can see women of the country, sports persons doing India proud at the Paris Olympics. On the one hand, you can see Manu Bhaker emerging victorious after 2 bronze medals. On the other, you can see Vinesh Fogat. In fact, Vinesh Fogat started her medal tally by slaying a giant and ended it by breaking a barrier by making it to Wednesday's final in the 50-kilogram category. She has, in fact, like I said, risen to the pedestal that no Indian woman wrestler has ever reached. After overcoming the defending champion, the so far unbeatable Japan's Yu Susaki in the first round, Fogat also took down Cuba's Yusnelis G. Lopez. And now she is going and gunning for gold at the Paris Olympics. Everybody from the country, everybody who is somebody has responded to Vinesh Fogat's victory. Everybody is hoping that she gets that gold for the country. And we can also see how Manu Bhaker, who's got India 2 bronze medals, the very first in the one edition, 2 medals there, she has returned to the country. Also, by the way, has been named the flag bearer from India when it comes to the closing ceremony at the Paris Olympics. And there you can see very emotional Manu Bhaker as she's received that warm hero's welcome as she returns to the country, garlanded, flower petals being showered at her, how people are happy to see their hero back to the country who's got them 2 bronze medals at the Paris Olympics. All of those celebrations continue. So it's a double celebration for the country, and women at the center, at the forefront of it all. On the one hand, there is Manu Bhaker. On the other, there is Vinesh Phogat. There has been so much that has been said about Vinesh Phogat's victory. Everybody is gunning for the fact that she will bring back the gold for India. And that's something that we all are hoping for. For now, we're also, in fact, putting out full screen these visuals of Manu Bhaker as she's returned to the country. She's headed home, and she is celebrations, I believe, will continue for her family and for herself and for the country, as these women have got and made India proud at the Paris Olympics 2024. When it comes to Vinesh Phogat's victory, we know how she's been now termed as a giant killer, as she has beaten Japan's so far unbeatable Yu Sasaki in the first round. And then she took down Cuba's YG Lopez. In fact, we also are now getting Manu Bhaker's father's first response after his daughter has come back to the country victorious. Let's take a look.
गुड मॉर्निंग गुड मॉर्निंग गुड मॉर्निंग। बहुत खुश है बहुत खुश है बहुत खुश बहुत खुश है, बस यही है, बहुत खुश है। ये लग जाएगा आपको। बहुत खुश है उसके और चूरमा खिलाएंगे।
Absolutely happy and elated, father of the victorious Manu Bhaker there. But of course, why shouldn't he be? He is so proud of his daughter, and that is what he said in those few words as he takes his daughter home as she returns victorious from the Paris Olympics. Yash, my colleague, also continues to be with us. He is at a very strategic location at the moment at the Phogat village, the village that's known for the Phogat family, and that's where the daughter is doing proud for the family and for the country. Vinesh Phogat emerging victorious, bronze, silver, now gunning for gold. And Yash, you've just spoken to Vinesh's mother. We're, of course, having our fingers crossed. Everybody has spoken about that massive, massive victory that Vinesh has achieved at the Olympics. Yash, are you there with us? We'll re-establish that connection with Yash, but there you can see 2 women who are making India proud at the Paris Olympics. One who's just returned to the country, Manu Bhaker, on one side of your screen, and the other who is all gunning for gold and gunning for glory at the Paris Olympics. Remember, she was battered, she was beaten, she had spent 40 days on Delhi roads. She was, in fact, had seen all sorts of trouble when she was protesting against sexual harassment within the games when it comes to the country. And after that turmoil, after all of that politicking that has happened, she's finally managed to achieve the unachievable at the Paris Olympics, and that is what has been the talk of the town since her victory last night. My colleague Yash is back with us. Yash, this is an important achievement for Vinesh Phogat. Everybody is talking about it, and you are at the very place where it matters the most, at the very village which is now known as the Phogat village.
Well, absolutely, Griha. It's not just a pivotal moment for Vinesh Phogat, but it is a pivotal moment for the entire country, because paving the way into a sport in which we had never won a medal in the women's category. Now Vinesh Phogat actually making a way to that very gold actually gives out a very message that how Indian players are ready to take the medal in these Olympics. In fact, when we spoke to the mother of Vinesh Phogat, also she mentioned that how she said only 3 words to Vinesh Phogat, which is gold lana hai. So the family is absolutely elated, and in fact the entire village is also somewhat in a celebratory mood. They say that this time around the gold is fixed because the kind of performance Vinesh Phogat has actually portrayed in all the matches till now is exceptional.